These are how the cupcakes turned out. I'm really happy with them. It's Vlogmas Day 2, and what are we making today? Giant cupcakes. So I don't have a spray bottle. So next best option, if you put water on it, it's supposed to help expand it faster. So I need to get a spray bottle, but you make do with what you got, baby. So I'm letting this sit for an hour because so that it needs to sit. If you spray it with water, then it helps it like expedite the process to fluff up more. And then I'm gonna come back in an hour with the second can. This is what we got so far. And it's already starting to expand. So let's wait and see. It's an hour later. Let's see what this is giving. So it did grow, not a lot. It's getting there. So I really need to get in. Expand up more. I think because I had only two cans, I need to get another can potentially tomorrow. These are my little cupcakes.
The next day.
I'm trying to add a little color. I'm gonna lightly spray paint the cupcakes, and I think one of them I'm gonna do a little glitter and keep it as like white, and then do one pink, one blue, or just like a smidge, just in case like I don't want it to eat the foam, because I didn't paint this at all. Yeah, this glitter one, I don't know if it really does anything. I'll have to wait till later and see, but it might not. Oh, I'm gonna wait to see. I'm not like in love with it, but here are the finished products. Well, I have another one. I have the blue one, but let's see. Take a little look-see. I think these three are super cute, even though I wish they were bigger, but it was my first time. It was my second time using that foam, but first time clearly trying to make cupcakes. But I think not too shabby for the first time. I'm definitely gonna redo this next year and see if I can definitely get it bigger. I'm thinking instead of 2, I probably need 3 or 4 cans, but they're super cute. So I'm gonna love them the way that they are. But thank you guys for watching, and look out for the next vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye.